This RV is brand spanking new. It's the show debut. It is the Model G by BRINKLEY 4100. Come inside. As you notice, it's actually not white and black as their typical colors. It is gray and black. All right, come with me to the kitchen. This fabulous island is seriously amazing. So cool. You have stools here for seating, as well as black appliances you'll see. And then you'll see that you'll have storage all throughout. This area is pretty cool because not only can you have your trash, but your recyclables. Organize your utensils. And a chopping board. How neat is that? All right, lots and lots of space for cooking. Lots of storage out. Another pull-down drawer. And a televator. Behind this televator is a window. We have additional seating here. And just like, it's so open. If you notice, it's like actually, it feels huge. Doesn't it feel huge?
It's much bigger than the last one.
Yeah. More storage up here.
That mirror is trippy. It
Yes.
looks huge.
The mirror, I didn't know it was so clear at this time, but I thought it was like a see-through situation here. But it's just a mirror. All right, we have a garage. And in the garage, we have a patio, which is, you'll see, it's very, I love that modern design fencing. We have opposing windows, another window. We have a Happy Jack system with couches and a bed that pulls down. We also have a loft for additional sleeping area, TV, and then a half bath. And you'll see that this half bath actually has a sink that folds down. And you're like, what is this for? And it is basically to move this whole entire wall.
Just minimize it.
You just basically, if you're not using this space here, you can grab this wall and move it. Pretty much. How cool is that? They
thought of everything.
Yeah, they did, because now you could put more toys in here if you're not utilizing that bathroom. And then we also have additional recliners, a desk, or a dining area, whichever.
It's locked.
Wait.
But it converts.
It's probably locked. Okay. You can convert it in any way, shape, or form. You can move it around, over here. And then the pantry area. Lots of space.
It's a good pantry.
We're talking lots of space. And a pull-down utensil holder, and as well as more shelving. Okay. And these are heavy duty, so you're getting quality craftsmanship. In the bathroom, we have a shower. Very modern looking. You'll see everything kind of has clean lines. A sink, vanity, drawers, as well as a pull-out drawer in here for additional storage. Toilet, nice clean lines. Love the colors. Neutral, beautiful. Bedroom, king-size bed with cool-looking windows. I mean, they're very residential feel.
Nice little lamps.
Yep. Little details that make this room so much more stylish. And I love these doors. Modern feel to them. Walk-in closet that is lit. We have our laundry prep area. You could put your machine in there.
It's useful.
Yep. Additional storage. They use every single bit of square footage. Now in here, you'll see this little pull-out drawer. You can put your jewelry in there, diamonds, TV, additional storage, and we're gonna show you these cool shades. You could black them out.
Man, it's like an accordion.
Or you can have a little
Ah.
sun come through. And that's it. Thanks for watching.